Hello everyone! Welcome to a new Attendo video. This time, we'll talk about Dev Assistant, a module which is part of Attendo Copilot extensions. The Dev Assistant streamlines workflow management for developers by offering specialized assistants that simplify tasks such as creating buttons, windows, tabs and tables, event handlers, Jasper reports, background processes, and much more. These assistants are designed to enhance productivity and reduce complexity, making it easier for developers to efficiently build and manage different components within the Attendo platform. There are many created assistants available to use in Attendo. Take advantage of their functionality after installing the Copilot Extensions bundle. For example, the Background Process Creator is an assistant specialized in the automatic creation of background processes in Java. The Button Process Creator simplifies the process of creating and registering buttons and process definitions. Attendo Code Expert is designed to read code index files and provide answers and general example code related to their content. The Event Handler Creator is capable of creating event handlers in Attendo Classic. The Jasper Report Creator facilitates the creation, editing, and registration of reports within the Attendo platform. The Module Creator creates modules that provide additional functionality that can be deployed independently. The Reference Creator creates references in the Attendo Application Dictionary. The Tables, Windows, and Tabs Creator helps developers to speed up the process of creating windows, tabs, fields, system elements, menu entries, tables, and columns in the database. Finally, the Webbook Creator facilitates the creation and registration of webbooks in Java. Remember that we have a course available on the Attendo Academy platform with an introduction to Attendo Copilot, where you can find all the information you need to create, synchronize, and use the available assistants. You only need to install the Attendo Copilot bundle in the latest version, and you will have available as system administrator all these assistants that are in beta phase. Also, in the description of this video, you can find a link to the Dev Assistants documentation. In this case, we'll show how the Event Handler Creator works as an example of the type of assistants that are included in the Dev Assistant module. By default, the Event Handler Creator Assistant has configured in the knowledge base file example code available in any Attendo Classic environment, although it is also possible to add new routes with customer-specific code in the Path Files tab. Next, after defining the file paths that will be part of the knowledge base, it is necessary to synchronize the assistant. Do this from the Assistant window. Select Event Handler Creator and synchronize it. Now it's ready to be used. As shown here, using Copilot, you can ask to create an event handler and follow the assistant's instructions about the information it will need, such as Java package, file name, entity, and description. In this simple example, we ask the system to display an error message each time a record is created and updated in the Assistant window. Then, the assistant creates the corresponding Java file within the specified module and informs the path where the file is created. It also takes care of creating and associating the records in the application dictionary. Now, we compile the generated code by running the Gradle SmartBuild task. Finally, we are going to test the automatically created event handler. For this, we log in and create a new assistant. As we can see, when we save the record, the validation error is launched. If we navigate to the Java generated by the assistant, we will even see the definition of the exception. This concludes our tutorial for introducing the Dev Assistants in Attendo. For more information, check the documentation linked in the description below. See you in the next video.